What if I told you you just need to divide your lid into 3 sections to create the most stunning brown smoky eye, which is a staple and a must-know for every makeup enthusiast? I'm going to first start with a sticky tape. Now, this one's from Real Techniques. It's a fabric tape, but you can use any fabric tape. You can use a Band-Aid. You can also use simple office tape. And this is going to serve as a stencil in the outer corner. From the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette, I'm going to choose a brown shade which is very close to my skin tone, and I'm going to saturate my entire lid with it. I'm just using a large fluffy brush. This is from e.l.f. Of course, you can use any palette that you have where you have neutral shades. And for a shade close to your skin tone, you can also use a bronzer. Next, I'm going to approximately estimate the center of my lid. I'm going to dip into a deeper brown shade, and from the outer corner, I'm going to swipe it up to the center of my lid. When you do this, a lot of that eyeshadow gets deposited in the very outer corner, and as you swipe it towards the center, it becomes lighter and lighter. And that's exactly what we need. We want it to be really deep in the outer corner, and as it moves towards the inner part of the lid, we want it to get lighter. Next, I'm going to measure out approximately 1/4 of my lid in the outer corner, dip into an even deeper brown shade, and I'm going to repeat the step, which is swipe it from the outer corner to the outer 1/4 of my lid. Again, a lot of that product gets deposited in the outer corner, and as you move towards the lid, it becomes lighter and lighter. And as you can see, that added to that stunning ombre effect, lightest in the inner corner, and as it moves to the outer corner, it becomes deeper and deeper. Let's take this one step ahead. I'm going to dip into the black eyeshadow, and I'm going to simply stamp it in the very outer corner to create that smoky wing. That looks beautiful. Let's get that tape off. And I'm going to use some concealer to quickly clean up underneath. If you don't like that sharp edge in the outer corner, you can buff it out a little bit to soften it. But I like it that way, so I'm going to keep it that way. In the lower lash line, I'm going to first smoke out that deeper brown shade, starting with the very outer corner. And I'm going to start tapering it as I move towards the inner corner. And then I'm going to stamp some black eyeshadow in the very outer corner to balance out what's on the lid. That's pretty much it, my friends. Let's add some finishing touches and finish up this makeup. I'm going to first curl my lashes before I use mascara. And the one that I'll be using today is the Milk Makeup Kush High Roll Mascara. I'm applying a good coat both to my top as well as bottom lashes, saturating every lash from the root to the tip before I use false lashes, for which I'm going to be using Tatti lashes in TL19. These lashes wing out, so it gives you that elongated, lifted look in the outer corner. And they're also wispy, so they don't cover up your lid space. You can still see through them and see the beautiful eye makeup. And here is the finished ombre brown smoky eyes. So quick and so easy to get done. All you have to do is use a stencil in the outer corner, which is the sticky tape, and just keep swiping the eyeshadows to create that ombre effect. I'm going to pair this with a stunning lip combo, starting with a lip liner. This is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in the shade Limitless Brown. This is a beautiful neutral shade and goes with so many lipsticks. And for lipstick, I'm using a nude lipstick. This is the Milani lipstick in 450, which is Desire. And here is the finished look. You can never go wrong with a brown smoky eye. If someday you don't know what to pair with your outfit, just go with a brown smoky eye and you can never go wrong. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I have a link in the description box where you can sign up for a one-on-one consultation if you have any questions about this tutorial or want to learn more from me. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.